Nashville on three. 1, 2, 3.
Nashville!
So good. 10 out of 10.
You don't have Wi-Fi at the Airbnb. Or LA.
Alright, here we have the Golden Girl. Right?
Breaded in potato chip.
Breaded and laid potato chips. There is peach mint plum, pimento cheese, and habanero.
But I cut one slice.
Nice.
Oh, Bob's gonna like those. Sweet and salty. You're gonna love them.
And they use this chip-based breading potato chip. Oh, that swallow is delicious. All right, I gotta go.
Oh my god, that's good. Actually.
Oh yeah, and that's not hipster bread. That's like a good brioche. Oh, very good.
Mediocre.
That jam is fantastic.
How's the undercarriage?
Looks like it should be a messy sandwich, but very little has fallen out. And look, I'm holding it at a 490. So what? You can't really complain, right?
That's pretty good.
Oh, I expect that.
Wow. That's a good biscuit. Nice, fluffy, very airy. Got some honey jam on there, I believe, and some bacon bits. Nashville, you done it again.
So I guess I'll try the biscuit first.
They have really good biscuits here. Wow.
I appreciate the spicy honey. That's good.
Was it an avocado?
That's good. Oy, oy, oy. I love these combos. The sweet, the salty, the sweet, and the spicy. And the texture.
Sing it. Thank you for being my friend.
That's the winner. That's the winner.
Your heart is true.
Alright, I'm gonna go for a salmon one with a jalapeno on top. My mouth is already on fire. Nashville roll.
Should be
Here we
serious.
go.
It's like
Team effort.
I think this is Oh, how's the spice level? Slow. Catching up now. Definitely catching up on that back end. Ooh, hot.
Hot?
It's a peppery kind of hot though. Oh, but it's hot. Oh yeah, it burns your throat. It's a throat.
This looks like an Abby burner.
Hot wing.
Yum. Such good flavor, such good texture.
The hot one.
Hot.
And this one has barbecue instead of ranch.
Just
They
regular
add
hot. Let's get your.
No, it's extra. It's extra hot.
Creepy as hell though. Ooh, the egg is good. Oh yeah.
How's Prince's mac and cheese?
That's some good mac and cheese.
It's
I don't know what I'm doing, man.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good.
10 out of 10. Reading comments, you're sweating.
I know.
The miles on
Miles.
Joe likes the miles.
The mile is for
Abby likes the sushi roll.
Yes.
Got a little something going on there. Is there any eggs in it? You wish.
I can't believe I ordered sushi again.
Let's just broaden it up.
Give it a try. Oh. It actually works. It's very salty between the chicken and soy sauce. I like it. I like the Nashville roll from Saturday night more better though.
That's right. I ordered those funnel cake ball things. Just had no idea what gravy on them.
Oh, no, yeah, but not hot. A little heat, but not.
Between that and the Bloody Mary. Not as juicy, obviously, as hot as, but
Total 3.5.